Gates open, they're up and racing. Queen of Class security check running by the rail is Stormy Norman. Then comes Discovery Peak on the outside. Walk the talk. Winning bid and running by the rail is Emergency Call. Heading towards the last 600 security check in command, followed by Queen of Class is Stormy Norman. Remains in third, running in fourth. Walk the talk. Discovery Peak and sneaking in down on the inside is Emergency Call with the last 450. Queen of Class, the favorite now in command by about a length and a half. Running in second by the rail security check. Discovery Peak running now in second and by the rail Emergency Call. With the last 150 more to run, it's Queen of Class this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, from the stable of Mr. Pooch Puyat, Queen of Class, Discovery Peak, Emergency Call, Walk the Talk, Stormy Norman, Security Check, and Winning Bid.